You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Carry Pest for a sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Carry Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Carry Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.
Girl, wine is so emotional. So wind up on my body, girl. Me while you come wine your waistline for me. Baby, you're bubbling, you're bubbling, you're bubbling, baby. Girl, you a party animal. Girl, you active, no, you no lazy. Girl, you a party animal.
When me touch down, broke down. In a late night, me and I locked up. See the side of the shotgun. And I'm a dog glass, cut off shots, clocks well clean. Touch the road with me team, see a girl up on a corner, cry and a scream. You know say the boss a fiend intervene, she say I'm a now, the other time, so of course you know say me go be a the.
Alright, welcome back now. TVJ Local Filmmaker Showcase is a digital platform dedicating to highlighting the creative talents of Jamaican filmmakers. And it returns this Monday for its 4th season. Now joining us now to share more on this exciting initiative are filmmaker JP Williams and programs coordinator at Television Jamaica, Wade Mitchell. But before we speak to them, let us look at a clip that we have from JP that is a part of this showcase. Here's a look.
That's why I'm here, searching for self. You see, I can't find self on a treadmill in the concrete jungle where I live. I wake up, maybe I eat, then I hit the street. Labor hard. This circle of frustrate I, mess with I mates. I decide to make a move. Take a trot cross this country. Too many corners where I still not see. I trod on.
Hey, listen, when I watch that clip, you know, I feel like I want to travel Jamaica. See all the part when people don't have to watch the clip, don't have to watch it. See, remember it starts this Monday. Wade, welcome. Let me ask, what is the Filmmaker Showcase? What is it all about?
So the Filmmaker Showcase, TVJ's Local Filmmaker Showcase, is a platform for local filmmakers to be able to showcase their films to a wider audience. We are in our 4th season now, and we have some good films to showcase this year. So over the years, we have had participants from various film festivals, the ACDC, Free Choice Film Festival, Godfest, and independent filmmakers have submitted over the years and showcased their talent on TVJ, because this is something that we care very much about, to showcase our local talents, because we have a lot of stories, we have a lot of storytelling. It's a part of our culture. And when you have filmmakers can go out and actually create films in various ways, whether the animation or drama pieces, we have to showcase that.
So why, as you say, we're showcasing Jamaican talent. You know, why is the local film industry important? Is it that we want to create another Hollywood, but it's yard wood, or no, you get me, something like that? Or is it you want to showcase brand Jamaica and the beauty of Jamaica? Why is local film so important?
Well, it's a bit of both. We want to showcase our talent. We are used to seeing Hollywood stuff on other platforms overseas. We want to encourage persons to become filmmakers, because you have persons out there who are not familiar with our local films. As one of the films that we'll be showcasing in the coming week, the first episode is about a youngster who wanted to become a filmmaker. So we want to showcase these kind of films, not just the regular used to dramas from overseas. Having our local content on our local station is very important.
Right. So how long has the showcase been going on?
It's in its 4th season now, so it's been 4 years since we've been doing this showcase.
Okay, all right. I want to talk to JP Williams. I was getting to him after this. JP, all go on.
Blessings. Thanks for having me.
All right, this film here, Jamaica Me and Jamaica Yeah, right? What was the inspiration behind it?
So I started that project in COVID. The inspiration was really the knowledge that the island was locked down, and so all of our natural attractions would be empty. And that made me think that they would finally be in their true beauty, because Jamaica is a hot spot. The waterfalls are always filled with people. And so I said, now that the island is closed, I should go film it and really be able to capture the beauty of the place just in its natural, state. And so that was the inspiration.
I was going to ask, that was one of my questions, how you get the place so empty, because the falls are always full of people.
Always full, yeah, man.
So how long was the entire process of filming, editing, and now you have a final product?
So the filming process took about 2 weeks. We traveled to every place, every inch of the island we try and cover. And we had a whole heap of fun, so we weren't rushing that process. And then, the editing process actually spanned 5 years. Right?
Wow.
Because you remember we're talking from COVID, and I just released it this February. So I wasn't actively working on it the whole time. But in retrospect, it took 5 years, and in light of Melissa is when I said, let me put this out and give people some hope and some reminder that Jamaica is a resilient place, is a beautiful place,
right? And
that we need to treasure our natural assets, which is the beach, the river, the sunset, all of those things make us who we are.
Yeah, man, it's an awesome film. Watching it, I feel like I want to travel Jamaica, and as I was saying, go one of them cook shop, because I always love try out new food, the little roadside shop.
Yeah, man.
Wait, finally, when will the show be aired?
So the first episode will be here this Monday at 8:30 p.m. and you can catch a rebroadcast on Friday at 10 p.m.
Awesome. All right, that was filmmaker JP Williams and programs coordinator at Television Jamaica, Wade Mitchell. Don't go anywhere, more Daytime Live right here after the break.
You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Caripest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and on the floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Caripest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Caripest Limited. Protecting what matters.